What's estate planning? Well, it depends on a lot of things, such as what you own, how you own it, and what you want to happen to it when you die. Generally, estate planning involves doing a will, but it can involve doing a lot more than that. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to tell you a bit more about it. I'm John Gallagher from Queensland law firm Argon Law. And in this video, we'll be discussing a few things you need to know about estate planning. When you die, the things that you own in your own name will form part of your estate and be distributed in accordance with your will. But there are often assets that people consider to be theirs, but which don't automatically form part of their estate when they die. These include assets held by companies or in trusts, superannuation entitlements, and the proceeds of life insurance. And it's also important to remember that your share in any asset held by you as a joint tenant with one or more others will pass directly to the survivor or survivors when you die, and also never form part of your estate. Under your will, you're free to give your assets to anyone you like, but keep in mind that the law allows your spouse, child or dependent to challenge your will after you die if you haven't made adequate provision for them in that will. Good estate planning takes all these factors into consideration. You may want to keep to a minimum those assets which can be at risk under a challenge to your will, or you may simply wish to distribute assets to your loved ones in the most equitable and tax-effective way. If you found those tips useful and want to get a new tip weekly, subscribe to our video blog and have a look at our website.